Azria, welcome back to my kitchen. For the curd, I'm gonna zest 2 lemons. You can do more if you feel like it. It depends on how much you like it. So here I have 250 grams of sugar, and I'm gonna zest my lemon into it because it's at the end everything goes together. So voila. So this is going into a bowl. Now I'm gonna use the juice of the lemon. So I'm very traditional in my way of doing it, you know. And I'm gonna cook this with my butter, 50 grams of butter. Voila. 5 lemons, and I'm gonna add 50 grams of butter and let it simmer. I'm gonna dissolve a gelatin sheet into water because that will add consistency to the curd. And I'm gonna mix my eggs. So it's 5 whole eggs. I'm gonna beat my eggs with sugar and zest. Again, very light and fluffy. I like everything light and fluffy. So now I'm beating my whole eggs with the lemon zest and the sugar. Now that I have my eggs and sugar and zest, I'm gonna add it to the simmering lemon juice. So as usual, I relax it a little bit and let it cook at slow heat. So my curd is ready. I have my gelatin. See, my gelatin is fully ready, but what I'm gonna do is transfer a little bit of the warm curd so it dissolves the gelatin better. Okay, and now I'm gonna incorporate it into the curd. So it will make it firmer and it will hold better. I usually do that overnight and let it sit in the fridge, but a couple of hours will be plenty for the gelatin to take and the curd to harden. Before it goes to the fridge, make sure that the plastic wrap is tightly covering, but like, you know, it totally like covers. Voila. Now we have it a couple of hours in the fridge. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna fill my tart with the curd. So see, my curd has stayed in the fridge. I hope you enjoy baking today with me. We are releasing a delightful new recipe every Thursday night at 6 p.m. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Voila! How pretty is that?